Hey traders, thanks for stopping by here at thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the financial sector here. So we're going to take a deep look at XLF and all the individual components here. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm seeing and what that could mean for the market and mean for your trading as well. So first and foremost, I want to get this out of the way. The rest of the market is still holding on. Okay, the rest of the market is still holding on. It still looks okay to me. But financials are the only sector out there, in my opinion, from what I'm seeing, that are actually bearish, that I would actually take a short position on. There's a big difference between thinking maybe something is going to head a little bit lower potentially, and actually taking a short position on it. So I'm going to explain exactly what I'm talking about in this video. So we're looking at about 2 years of action on XLF. And I'm going to go into the more recent action, don't worry. But in order to understand the more recent action, we have to take a full picture of what's been happening here for XLF in the financial sector. So what we have here, clearly this sector is in a downtrend for the last about year and a half. Okay, we made this high over here and we've been making lower highs, and lower highs. Okay, and you can see that even this action here, when we were very bullish on financials and the rest of the market, we never broke this high right here. So we still made a lower high. Okay, lower lows, clearly lower lows right there. All right, another thing that I want to mention too is that when we had this downturn here, look at where we got rejected at. If you draw a Fibonacci retracement level from this high here to this low right there, you can see the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level is literally exactly the high that we got rejected at and then headed lower. The reason that I'm pointing that out to you is because just recently we hit another 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. If you draw it from the high right here to the low right here, you can see the 61.8 is right around where we got rejected at. Okay, so typically stocks or commodities, anything that has a price chart, if they're going to reverse their trend, they're going to break through that 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, whereas if the trend is going to continue, in this case the trend is down. Okay, the trend is down here for financials. Okay, so that is the current direction of the trend if you're looking at about a year and a half of action. Now, of course, if you're looking at the last 3 or 4 months, yes, we're still in an uptrend here. But typically stocks will reverse at around that 61.8 to continue their trend, and that's exactly what XLF and the financials did. Now let's kind of zoom in a little bit. Oh, one more thing. So another thing that we did here, and I'll actually kind of show you wider view. So last time that we headed lower, okay, this big move lower, it all started with a false breakout. Okay, a false breakout, right? If you've been following my videos, you know that I focus pretty much exclusively on false breakouts and false breakdowns on the bullish side. So right here we have a false breakout on XLF. You can see here was that clear resistance here, there. We broke over it right here only to break right back below it, right? And then when the move really accelerated, it was when we broke below the recent resistance. You can see, or the recent support, okay? So this is a false breakout right here, okay? But then it accelerated once we broke this next support level right here, all right? So right here, I'm going to zoom in now. Actually, I'll keep it wide just so you can see this action compared to this action. So what we have here is a clear level of resistance. Boom, 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 and then we break over it here, closed over it for about 2 days, and then boom, broke right back below it, all right? Now, a lot of these false breakouts, okay, they fail, okay, they fail. And that's because the market is more oftentimes than not bullish. The market spends a lot more time being bullish than it does bearish, and that's just a matter of fact. That's not an opinion, that's just a fact. So what we have here, and this is why I became bearish on financials, is because of this right here. Not because of this false breakout, because again, they fail. They fail in bull markets, because if you look here, there was also a false breakout. Here was that resistance. We broke over that resistance here, and then we broke under it right here, okay? And look, it failed, and we headed higher, all right? So the reason why I'm now bearish is because we now broke this support. Okay, there was that support, and we broke that right here. Very similarly to how we did over here. All right, and notice when we made this move here, breaking that support, it was with very heavy volume right here. Okay, and what happened here this time for financials? Well, we have heavy volume on this support break. Okay, so big implications here for financials. I'm not sure if this is going to be going to pull the rest of the market down just yet, because really I'm not seeing anything other than this financial sector here. I'm not seeing anything that's very, very bearish. So just keep that in mind. Yes, financials look bearish here, but I'm not seeing any other sectors or stocks as a whole that are looking as bearish as this. So as far as targets are concerned for XLF and the financials, if we continue this move lower, I think we can hit about 2450 right here. You can see there was a lot of, not a lot, but a few days of sideways trading. That's really the nearest support. You know, when you have sideways trading, that's when you create support and resistance. But when you don't really have much sideways trading, you're not going to create a lot of support and resistance. Here was a lot of sideways trading like this, so we created support there. Breaking is very key. Right here, we only have 3 days of sideways trading right here, so that's really a small support, and I wouldn't count on it for any kind of meaningful bounce or anything like that. But that is the first level here. It's between, you know, about 24.25 and 24.50 right there. To me, that would be the first target for XLF. Now let's see if it matches up with a Fibonacci retracement level. Drawing it from the low here to the high right there, and you can see, yep, right around the 61.8 and 50% Fibonacci retracement level is right around there. So that could be a level where XLF and the financials could get a bounce at. So I hope this video helps you out a lot. All right, so what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker, and this is something that tracks every single trade that we alert here to members at thetradinganalyst.com. So I'm showing it to you to prove that we get results in the market. And don't worry, when you sign up and you join, you're going to get complete access to this portfolio tracker, which also has a section which tracks all of our open positions that list the entry point, the targets, and the stop losses. And if we have partial exits, it lists those as well. So you can see here that our trades are profitable. The average win is double the rate of our average loss. And you can see here since July, about 7 months, we're up $212,000. And that tracks all of the trades here that are alerted within the membership. So with that said, I'd like to invite you to join here the premium membership community. If you're on the blog page here watching this video, scroll below the video and you're going to see what I'm talking about here. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you're not confident about when the right time to get in or out is, and plain and simple, you're just losing money, well, then you need to join here, because you can instantly reduce your losing trades and actually become consistently profitable with these trading alerts. So what are you going to get when you sign up and you join today? Most importantly, you are getting access to these real-time trade alerts. Every trade that I showed you on that portfolio tracker, you are going to get access to now when you join in real time. All of my entries, anytime I'm entering a position, I'm sending you a text message in real time with my exact entry price. And you can see here are a few other examples of some recent trades that we took. If you remember at that time, you could have participated in those and made money alongside of us. The next thing you're getting access to is this real-time portfolio tracker. And this is our way of being completely 100% transparent with you, okay? You're seeing our winners, our losses, our break-even trades, and everything in between. Nothing is hidden. Nothing is pushed under the rug like they do at a lot of other services. Everything is out there in the open for you to see and for you to track. And the other reason that you're getting access to is so that you can learn and see exactly what it's like to be a profitable trader. You're going to see the wins and the losses and how they stack up together and how they equate to profitable trading. The next thing you're getting access to is the professional trading watch list. And these are done via video, okay? I'm not just sending you out these alerts and hoping that you can follow along. Every trade is prepared for ahead of time with a video analysis of what to expect for these potential alerts, all right? So you're able to learn and be prepared at the same time. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. And in these videos, I update you on my thoughts on the general market. So if you have positions outside of the alerts here, these videos are going to help you out tremendously. And the next thing too is that every single trade alert that I send out comes with a detailed video analysis of the trade. So you're going to know exactly the strategy we're using, why we're entering the trade. You're going to know why the stop loss is where it's at, why the target is where it's at, and so on and so forth. The next thing you're getting access to, and this is a bonus, and you're getting access to the full education library. And there's over 200 videos in here, but most importantly, there's two things here that are sticking out here that everyone seems to love in this educational library. The first thing is the Options Accelerator course. And this is going to bring you up to speed on how to do options the right way. Stop trading options the wrong way. And these are going to be bringing you up to speed, and it's going to allow you to learn instantly. The next thing you're getting access to is our complete strategy from A to Z. I'm explaining to you so that you can use it on your own, and also so that you can gain more confidence in our trades. And this alone is worth 10 times the value of the entire membership, that strategy, because this strategy is profitable. You've seen that on the portfolio tracker. You've seen it on the alerts. It's making us money. It's making our members money. So if you have that strategy, imagine what you could do with it on your own, okay? So I want to give that to you. The next thing here that you're getting access to, and I don't have it listed here, but you have access to me virtually 24/7. You can ask me questions via email, on the live chat, or you can respond to any of the text message alerts, and I'll happily answer any questions or concerns or comments or anything that you have to help you along the way. So that's what you're getting when you sign up today. Scroll down here, you're going to see everything you're getting. And we have a special offer we're doing right now, only $787 for the entire year on this membership with a value of over $2,000. So you're getting almost more than a 50% discount here on this annual membership at $787. So click this button right here. It's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. And all you got to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number. Make sure this is a valid cell phone number that you can receive the text message alerts on. Anytime I'm buying something or selling something, I'm going to send you a text message. So make sure there's a valid phone number so that you can receive those alerts. Choose your password and then scroll down here and enter in your billing information right here. Or you can check out with PayPal. Totally up to you. Click that button and you'll be taken to the 100% secure PayPal checkout page. Once you do either of those things, you're going to get instant access to everything that I talked about today. But most importantly, you're getting these winning trade alerts sent directly to your cell phone anytime I'm buying or selling something, so you can finally experience what it's like to be consistently profitable in the market. So I hope that you make that decision for yourself, and I'm really looking forward to helping you achieve your goals.